Hello guys, how are you? My name is SGP and it is good. No, it's not good. It is bad to be back again because we have sad news. Kids, guys. Mira mushe kuna maititi. Of course, panema nude photos are circulated pa social media of maititi vasina kusemira. So, this is shocking, guys, and people were not even expecting to see something like this. After all, my Titi was once an ambassador. I don't know if she is still an ambassador or what. But recently, we saw my Titi Wachibudane, one of a prominent men of God around the J Israel. So people will be expecting a lot from a person like that because but anyway, I'm surprised. Kutibano are surprised. They actually came to see my Titi naked today, but it is something that I've seen coming a long time ago. Remember how my Titi came or rose to fame? It was because of profanity, kutaura mashoko ane ezvinyadzi nezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana. So a person like that is not new on the crime scene. So she was a suspect from a long time ago. Zvakangomirira chete kuti zviputike hanzi nemakuru chine manenji achifambisa. So if you have seen some of the photos that are circulating, of course I cannot post them right here because it is against the rules of YouTube. So if you want to see those photos, you have to find them yourself. I don't know where you are going to get them, but the news that I have right here right now is that there are some circulating nude photos of my Titi on the internet. Guys, I don't know zvangu, is this an attack from my enemies? We've seen my fights vanenge vachiita nemango mazim ladies vanoparticipate pasocial media zvekudaro. Now we don't know kuti ndana Ketina here, ndana Madam Boss here, who exactly exposed or those nude photos of my Titi. So guys, even my Titi, as you can see on the screen, she is surprised with what is happening. What is this? Is this me? Is this me? You can see right there. She's even surprised. Maybe these photos were photoshopped. We don't know yet, but actually from the horse's mouth we hear that. We also have Tatelicious also coming in hot on my Titi, achimba chisong cha Zimdancehall, achimba kuti mapadapata whatever. Guys, I don't know if it is my Titi who leaked these photos. Guys, kana kuri kuda malove nema-likes pacho ma1 level ratazosvika racho rawo yakuipa. So I don't actually understand what is happening here because we have seen kuti hara kumai Titi vakambobuda vachimhanya nemumwe mfesa ainzi Zizo. Later on we realized kuti it was staged. It was not real. What they wanted to do was just to push Zizo or to put Zizo on the limelight. So recently we saw her also wedding Tinashe Maposa, and all of a sudden, out of thin air, the marriage was cancelled, just like that. So I don't know what is happening. So come on, none of my Titi fans, please let us know what is happening. I'll be coming with more and more news as this epic story unfolds. But right now, murikungozvionera kwese kuma-social media kwamuri kuti ma1 zvinhu hazvina kumira mushe kuna my Titi. My Titi vari panguva yakaoma, vari parumana nzombe right now as we speak. It is very unfortunate kuti at some point inini ndichatozosvikirawo maybe pakutozolikisirwawo manude. Who knows? We don't know. Maybe notoone manude ari somewhere there out there. But inini mukaburitsa manude angu ndokuruma. Ndotokutaurirai guys, ndinoruma munhu pakaipa even ndisina So anyway guys, more news to follow. Kana paine imwe breaking news inenge yauya about my Titi, will be posting right here. So guys, chakachaya ma1 pa internet, especially ku Twitter ndo kwazviri kubva kwazviri kupwititika zvichibva ikoko. So guys, let me know if you have some information kuti chii chiri kuitika, who actually exposed or leaked these photos of my Titi. My enemies are aware. Mango socialites here. What is actually happened? Is it Tinashe Maposa? What is actually happened? What did my Titi do wrong to somebody else who actually took the photos? Because as you can see, from my photos, you can see someone was actually taking those photos. So who was it? So I think my Titi has got an answer already, and she knows, or she knew who did this. It's just a matter of time. She's gonna expose that person, and you know my Titi abanyarari kana vaine zvinenge zvavabata bata vanotoenda pasocial media and vachamudura mune kuti ndiani. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm almost getting there. That's all. I have about 600 hours. Please guys, watch this video to the end. Without my watch time hours, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with other fellow fans vanofarira kuona Segugudo Picture TV. Until we meet again on STP TV, peace. More news to follow on this topic.